Welcome back, guys. I thought it was time to make a video about how to turn the window wipers on. Sounds fairly simple, but you're going to need to know how to do this in real life, and also you're going to need to know how to do this on the driving test potentially. Okay, so we do live in the UK, we do get lots of wet weather, so I'm going to switch the camera around and you'll be able to see the windscreen wiper stalk or stick, whatever you want to call it. So here we go. So if you have a little look, just there is my windscreen wiper stick, stalk, whatever you want to call it. Okay, what we've got is we've got this icon here. Now this is your front windscreen symbol, and as you can see, it's got like a little fountain, like a little kind of squirty symbol there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so what that's telling us is that's the front windscreen, and that's going to be washing and wiping the front windscreen. Okay, and you've got this arrow, and what it's doing, that arrow is towards us. So what you want to do, if you want to wash and wipe the front windscreen, what you've got to do is pull that towards you, like so. Okay, now if the car was on, that would be squirting water from the reservoir onto the windscreen and automatically wiping at the same time. Okay, so that one there is your front windscreen wash and wipe. This guy at the bottom is your small rectangular symbol. Okay, so this is telling us this, if we were to turn this, okay, turn this, what you'll find is that that line there will go from 0, which means nothing, to potentially up here. Okay, so this is intermittent because that line's broken. So if we were to turn the switch like this, it would put the back window wiper on, but intermittently, so probably every 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, if we go all the way around to here, we get the wiper on constant. And if we go all the way up to that top symbol there, which you can hopefully see, it's a very small square, just like this guy, with the windscreen wiper squirty water symbol. So we could go up like that and we could wash and wipe the window just like so. If we wanted to just wash and wipe the back windscreen, we could just turn that switch down to here. So if I just do that, that will wash and wipe the back windscreen. Okay, so we've got this symbol here. Hopefully it's making sense so far. This symbol over here is our front windscreen symbol, and this is just to wipe the front windscreen. So if, let's say for example, it was raining and you thought, oh goodness me, I can't see, I need to put my wipers on, I don't want to wash and wipe this time, I just want to wipe. Okay, we've got different settings. So it's telling us what we need to do is if we want to put it down once, twice or 3 times, it will get sequentially faster. Okay, and if we just push it up once, it will spring up and then come back down again, and that's what that means. So if we put it down once, that will just wipe once, that will go a little bit quicker, and that will be bonkers fast if we were to do that. Okay, hope that makes sense. If, let's just say, we were to drive through a small I don't know, little sprinkling of rain for some reason, and we just wanted to wipe the window once and get rid of the rain, we would just push up once, and that would then spring back to this position, and that will just wipe the window once. I hope that's been some help. It does look more complicated than it is, but what you're ultimately doing is you're looking for the symbols for the front and the back window. So there's your front window and the back window, and you just have to try and figure out what all these little lines and symbols mean. Hopefully it looks similar to your car if you're learning to drive. If it doesn't, feel free to drop a comment, like, subscribe, do whatever you fancy, but that in my car is how you operate the window wipers. Good luck, guys. See you on the next video.